Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section, our task is we have some bunch of values. From that, we have to extract employee number, name, and mobile number, and then we have to sort the values with employee number column. So let's see how to solve this. So here we are going to use one special formula. Can anyone guess? It's a very dynamic formula. So here wrap rows. Okay, vector means we have to select the bunch of values. Perfect. Then wrap count. It is coming as 3. 1, 2, 3. For every 3 records, the values are getting changed. So we will write as 3. This is not required. Close bracket and see the difference.